chocolate that you can eat.
What dark chocolate?
You need dark chocolate.
Wait, it doesn't say dark
chocolate.
140 dates. 140 dates.
200
grams of oats, 3 scoops of
Keep
peanut
going.
butter. Oh, 200 grams of dark chocolate.
This is so embarrassing.
Okay,
It's not
wait,
even.
I didn't mean like on me.
Granny is getting angry. Hi guys, welcome to the Bins household. Today we are going to be making a nice vegan snack.
Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. Anyway, today you are on an episode of Baking with the Bins. Oh, the battery's low again. Quick, okay. So me and Rihanna decided that we are gonna make one of Purcell's recipes off her Instagram. What are they called? Little Snickers bars?
Snickers bars.
So first step, look, we'll just show you and then we'll charge the battery while we're doing it.
This looks shit.
So we have 140 grams of pitted dates.
Okay, behind the shoot then. Take one.
The scenes. It's not.
Take one.
I'm getting my hands dirty. Okay.
The real goal to this.
This was all we wanted to bake. Let's get into the actual video. And we put them into our NutriBullet blender thing because we have a NutriBullet.
We need the oats.
That's the oats.
I know it's the oats.
Okay, so how many oats?
200 grams.
Right, okay. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. Should have included my fans. Oh god. Not in the shot. There it is. Oh. I think that's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, then we put that in with the dates.
We should have got the bigger one.
Yeah, we should have really. This is so pressurizing because the camera battery is ready to die. Okay, we need the bigger one. Where's the bigger
bathroom, I think.
The bathroom?
Yeah.
It is, and there's stock water in it. Who put stock water in it?
Clean Callum's smelly feet for him.
Oh my god, the battery's low again.
Where's the blender?
Anyway, I'm gonna taste test some almond. The NutriBullet.
Yeah. Like, we're not getting far without
Oh my god, ew, I hate milk, it's disgusting.
No, seriously, we're not getting far without that. We had a mishap, as we will have many more during this, but we're going to blend this up if we can.
If we can. I'm scared. Oh no!
Oh,
did it break?
I think so.
It didn't break.
Grainne.
Is it still? No, it didn't break. It's just stuck out. Oh no. Rihanna, no, Mom's gonna freeze. It couldn't have broke. It couldn't have broke.
Here, go try to plug it in again.
Oh no. Don't push it down any further. You're gonna make it worse. We had an existential crisis because we broke the NutriBullet. We got it working again like 3 times, but yeah, it's gone now. So we're gonna use a soup mixer instead.
Or we just use the soup.
Not working. Oh lord. So now we might break the soup blender too. Oh my god, I hate Instagram and I hate blenders. Like, why when you try and upload 2 pictures does Instagram tell you to fuck off? I was gonna have a good caption as well. Oh.
It really isn't looking great, I'm not gonna lie to you.
How do we put the chocolate in?
The chocolate goes on top of them. The Nutribullet needs like hop on. Oh, is it back? Probably back for a second, yeah.
Nutribullet came back. I'm Instagramming. That doesn't sound too healthy.
And stuff again.
Fucking fuck Nutribullet. Every video I've started today has been a disaster. BTS part 2. Nutribullet broke again, so we're giving her a little minute. We're talking to her kindly and we're hoping she comes back to life. Look at my eyes right now, Rihanna.
Hey guys, we fucked up our whole demonstration.
That looks so creepy, doesn't it? Look at this vein, bitch. Oh my god, and now the camera battery is low again. This is a disaster. Okay, the good news is we got the Nutribullet semi-working again, but we missed a whole bunch of steps. So I'm going to talk through what we did in this video now. We blended and pitted the dates. Well, actually, we pitted the dates first. Ta-da! And then we put the dates and the oats in here. And then once the dates and the oats were in here, we blended them and broke the Nutribullet. Once we had broken the Nutribullet, we had to
Mom's gonna see this.
try and fix it by putting warm water on the... Now this is a
If you're on binge, stop watching.
tutorial time. Basically, if your Nutribullet ever breaks, take a warm cloth and clean these 3 buttons here, and then use a screwdriver to pick out any excess dirt. And then your Nutribullet should work again. Then we put 3 tablespoons of peanut butter into the Nutribullet and some almond milk. Ours got very sticky, so we added a bit more. I think we need another blend.
Why are you American?
I think we need another blend. It's nice, isn't it?
No.
You don't like it?
It tastes cabbage chocolate.
I didn't close it properly. Oh, and then Rihanna just burnt some chocolate.
The chocolate's perfect. There.
But we realised just now that it was supposed to be 200 grams of dark chocolate and we only have 100, so classic. Any movement there? Me neither. Go like that. No? Shake it. No. Go like that.
Put it back in. Put it back in. Put it in.
No, you do it.
Stick it in. Yeah.
Stick it again. Brianna, that doesn't sound healthy. You've broken it again. I told you not to do that.
She just needs a break. Alright, get the tray. Before Mom gets home and kills us.
You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just got it. Okay, so now we're gonna line our tray. Did you read the instructions on this
No.
bit? Yeah, me neither. Should I get a different tray? This one looks kind of gross.
She's fine. You're putting paper over it now. Do you even know what we do with it?
No. You just line it.
That's it, lined.
I'd say you just put them, roll them up in a little ball, no?
Press the dough into a lined bread tin. Okay, we've got the wrong tin.
Okay, we need to find the bread tin.
Shit, we definitely had a bread tin.
Yeah, no, we definitely did.
This is really not going our way today. No, for real, our bread tin's gone missing.
It can't be gone missing. We might have to DIY it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to because our bread tin's gone fucking MIA on us. Well, we do it like we did those peanut butter slices in the round one.
Oh yeah, okay. Ow, ow! Okay, on the real, I definitely don't think this is meant to look this gross, but because they looked way nicer on Ross Purcell's page, but she's ready to go in the fridge now, so I mean, you can't judge a book by its cover. Let's see how she gets on in the fridge.
Also, Roz put like peanuts on here, but me and Rihanna decided not to, so yeah. It's the next day. Oh my god, the battery is still low. How did I forget to charge the battery? Anyway, this is the things out of the fridge, so I'm gonna chop them into little bars now. Then me and Rihanna are gonna do a taste test. It said only leave them into the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes, but we left them in all night. Hey Tallulah. Oh, hello. Oh, did she just lick that? She did. Okay, this is them all chopped up. Now we're gonna taste test. Which one do I want? I don't know. I think they're really nice.
It's nice. First taste isn't nice.
I think they're really good.
Get it in.
Yeah, you can taste the dates, can't you?
No.
I think you can a bit, they're nice. Roz Purcell, we approve. Love you also. Okay, thanks for watching.